Who am I?
Don't you know who you are?
And who are you?
I am Tula and you are Telmo.
I'm Telmo?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
Today we're going to make alien soup.
No, Telmo.
But are you sure that I'm Telmo?
Yes.
I am Telmo.
What a revelation.
We're going to make dinosaur soup.
No, Telmo, we can't make that.
Very well. Since we can't make any of the things I say, let's see if you can come up with something that we can eat.
Let's make stuffed tomatoes. And also,
we're going to make more things today?
Yes.
Great!
We're going to make baked bananas.
This is all going to be so good.
Yes, it's delicious.
Well, let's get to it.
All right, the ingredients we will be needing to make our stuffed tomatoes are tuna,
mayonnaise,
avocado,
tomatoes,
salt,
black olives,
and sweet corn.
Perfect! I'm already hungry.
Good. And now for the baked bananas.
Bananas!
Brown sugar.
And whipped cream.
Let's get started.
Yes!
Look, our adult has taken 4 tomatoes and opened them up.
As if we're gonna cut off their heads.
Well, yes, something like that. And he has hollowed them out for us, look. And now we're going to prepare the delicious mix that is going to go inside the tomato.
Oh, a bowl!
That's it, a bowl. Good. First of all, we need to put the tomato pulp that our adult has hollowed out in the bowl.
I'll put in the tuna.
And I'll put the mayonnaise.
Wait!
What?
Can I please put the mayonnaise?
No, Telmo, because you always put in too much. We only need 2 tablespoons.
I'll only add 2 tablespoons. Come on.
All right, you pain.
Yay!
Only 2 tablespoons.
Yes, I'll only add 2 tablespoons.
That's not fair.
I'm adding 2 tablespoons.
Right. Well, I'm putting in the tuna. Remember that we still can't open a can of tuna by ourselves. You have to ask your adult to do it because we're too little and we could hurt ourselves. Add the avocado while I put in the pinch of salt.
All right. We add a squashed avocado. Even though it might not look like it, it's like this because our adult has peeled it and we have squashed it with a fork. That's why it looks like... I'm thinking, how about if we add melted chocolate in the avocado? It will be delicious.
Telmo!
What?
That has to be awful. It's fine like this.
Yes, I'm sure, but one has to experiment.
Leave it be, Telmo. We'll experiment another day because the avocado with chocolate probably won't sit well.
Are you sick?
No.
Well?
Add the cut up black olives and I'll add the sweet corn.
All right. Our adult has cut up the black olives. We add 1 tablespoon.
And I'll also add 1 tablespoon of sweet corn.
If you notice, the black olives look like little black balls of chocolate. How about we add little balls of chocolate into the mix?
Telmo, that's enough.
Okay, it was just a joke.
Well, that isn't funny, Telmo.
It is to me.
Well, let's mix all of the ingredients together.
Okay.
Carefully, Telmo.
It is ready.
Well, all that's left to do is to fill the tomatoes with the mix. Look, it came out perfectly.
The bananas are already browning.
Yes, I almost forgot. My dear little cooks, we are baking bananas, and what we've done is taken 2 bananas and asked our adult to place them in the oven.
With the peel.
Right, for 20 minutes at 350 degrees.
They're done! They're done!
And they're already done.
They came out perfectly.
Well, dear friends, before peeling them and coating them with brown sugar,
And before adding whipped cream,
well, before all of that, we have to let them cool for a little bit.
and while we wait, let's review today's ingredients.
Ingredients for stuffed tomatoes. 4 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 can of tuna, 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon of cut up black olives, 1 tablespoon of sweet corn, a pinch of salt. Ingredients for baked bananas. 2 bananas, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, whipped cream to taste. Look, little cooks, we've peeled the bananas and now we add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar.
And whipped cream.
Correct, whipped cream to taste.
To taste means that I can put on as much as I want, right?
Yes, I suppose it does.
Ah, that's great! No, do. What?
You're such a glutton.
I know.